Hello, baby. Hello, teacher. Hello, hello, me. Hello, teacher.
Okay, sit down, guys.
We're talking about class.
Yeah. Can we sit down, please? Can we?
Yeah.
Okay, so today, remember we talk about
Class.
Okay, we talked about class before, but not in details. So today we are talking about the class,
Class car.
which is called OOP, which stands for Object-Oriented Programming. Object-Oriented.
We're talking about
Programming.
class car, not class.
Yeah. Can you pay attention, please? Object-Oriented Programming, okay? So everything in real world we can model as objects, class and objects, right? So there are two concepts. One is class, the other one is object. Okay? So class, we can call it as object template. Object template. You know what's template?
The template
Template.
is like
What's template? What does it mean?
the speed. I don't know.
It's like
The speed.
no, it's like how to put it this way? It's
Puzzle piece.
you know the stamp, yeah?
Yeah.
That's like template. You have a stamp and you can create many stamps. Huh?
Yeah.
So class,
Like for place, you get.
yes. So you can quickly make objects. So class is object template, which can be used to create objects. So put it this way: we have in Python, we can use this class. Okay, class, and if we define a class,
We
which
need
is
a
called
car.
person. Let's start with the person first. Person, you know person, yeah?
Let's
Column,
find that.
Column,
Let's
okay,
find that.
okay.
There is it.
Yeah. Can you follow me? Not follow the notes, okay? Okay, so now we can have a define
With the phone.
underscore int. Int stands for
Internet.
no initialization. This
That
is
was
a
what
syntax.
I was about to say.
Yeah, initialization.
We need the
Initialize, yeah.
self-name age. We need the self-name
No.
and age.
This is parameter called constructor. We call it constructor. Do you know what this called? What constructors?
Define.
Constructor to construct something. You know.
To build.
To build exactly. The function to build the objects.
If you're doing the wrong order, it wouldn't have one.
So we have a
name and
parameter.
age.
So these are two.
Yeah. Column.
These are two parameters we want to pass into.
Yeah. You do not.
Yeah, that's fine. And then we can say self. Self, you know self. Yeah, me,
Yeah.
mine, own.
We
Yeah.
need a-
Self.name equals name.
Name. Self equals age plus
Self.age equals age. Yeah.
age. Self dot self equals self.
Wait. Now after this, this is the very simple class, and then after this we can already define, we can already
Whatever we want.
initialize. This is the person template. Yeah. Then we can say Eric, yeah,
Me.
is a person. Okay.
Me.
Person. Then you will call this constructor. Yeah. This self means that it's a method of the class. Okay. Then we can have this name. Which is, we can give you Eric, yeah? And age,
8. How about me?
8. And Ryan, yeah?
I'm 6.
Yeah,
Off
person.
the block. 1, 2, 3,
Person.
4, 5,
Wait.
6, 7, 8.
And then the first parameter, this is the first parameter we're going to pass into the class object, right? Which is called Ryan, the name,
Oh.
and 6, yeah? So now we're creating two objects. Look, this is object, yeah?
Object 1.
Two objects, and this is the class. You see, as I said before, the class is used to create objects, and then this class. Look, this class, the constructor, the builder, yeah, the builder function needs two parameters, which is name and age, and it will assign these two parameters using self.name and self.age as an attribute. So what does it mean? It means that
We need to define, say hello.
look, and then this one, you remember, yeah? And then we can do this. What we can do? We can define a function inside this person, yeah? We can say hello, right? Say hello. And then we can take a message. The first parameter always self, yeah? Message. Then what can we do? We can say print. Okay, then look, we can use this
Need to
self.name,
print
yeah?
self.name and says MXC.
Plus you can press the string says, yeah? Says what? Says message. So after this, no, look. Can I please? Can I please? Then you can say, look, Eric.
No,
Stop. Say hello, right?
don't say hello. It's
Okay, and
rude.
then-
Say hello.
Look, say hello, and then hello, and then this hello, we call this function call message, and then you print self.name. Okay, then it's what? It's Eric, and then plus says hello, right? And Ryan dot say hello, yeah?
Hello.
You see, this is the class, yeah? Do you get it?
Hello is a rude thing.
Sit down, please. Be quiet, be quiet, okay? So this is called a person object. And if we define another one, right? If we define another one, class, car, right? And then
Hello
we
is
can
good thing to say to your
define-
friend.
int. This is the constructor
Car.
self, and let's give it a name, okay? What name of the car, right? And then speed, okay? You can take a speed parameter. Then again, we can say self dot name or brand, whatever equals name, and self
Dot name.
dot speed equals speed.
We need to define how old.
That's fine. I mean, that's fine. This is and then look, we can define a car, right? Create a car, Audi, yeah? Audi car equals car, and then give a name which is Audi, and the speed may be 100 miles per hour. Yeah. So look, this is two different. Yeah? Remember we have Eric, I have Ryan. That's three different objects, right? Created, right? Yeah. And then we can talk about using this. If we have three different objects, then we can check using this
Is that
instance. Yeah, is instance Eric person. What do you think? Yeah, Eric is an instant. Look, it's an instant of person, so this will return true, right? But how about this is instance function? This is an instant function, yeah. How about Audi? Is it a person object? Person, is it an instant of person? Yes or no? Is Audi does it belongs to person class? No, because Audi is not person, right? So this is a simple function to check if the object is an instance of a class. So in other ways, the class is used to create instance, which is called objects. Objects are instance, right? So when we create the objects like Eric and Ryan, there are two independent objects which have different names and age, right? There are two different copies of the person class. Am I right? Did I make it clear? Yeah. Okay, so that's it for today. Okay, the last thing.
say goodbye, baby? Bye. Oh yeah, baby. Oh yeah, baby. Oh, yeah,
Okay, enough.
Bye. Oh yeah.